Welcome to the Zuitte URL Shortener. The Zuitte URL Shortener is a hugely powerful app that allows you to edit, track, and manipulate your links so you have 100% control. Go to the Operations folder in the Zuitte Members area, then click on URL Shortener. Inside the app, you will see the main dashboard offering you a place to enter your long URL link. Simply paste in the link you want to shorten and press Shorten. Then, copy and use the link where you please. The Zuitte URL Shortener will track where, when, and other data related to how your new short link is used. For a bit more control, we can make as many or as little changes as we want. For example, we can have the short link direct to the website or a splash page. We can choose to shorten up to 10 links at once, or make advanced changes to the short link such as aliases, expiration times, password protection, geo-targeting, pixel targeting, and much more. If we look down the left menu, we can see more options to create a powerful short link. We can create our splash pages with a great deal of detail. Don't know what a splash page is? Don't worry. We have information sections along here to help you out so you get the most out of your powerful link shortener. You can create custom overlays on the link destinations, and again, if that makes no sense to you, that's fine. We have plenty of info on each page to help you out. You can place tracking pixels to help grab more data from your short links, and it is super easy to set up. We have full guides down the side of the page to help you set up each type of pixel. Got a custom domain? Great! You can use our link shortener to even more depth. Back in the dashboard, we can see information on our short links, such as where people are accessing it from, and more. We've made the Zuitte URL Shortener simple and easy to use, even if you didn't even know about the power of link shortening before.